Thank you. Quiet lang po sandali. Quiet lang po sandali. I thank God for considering me worthy and appointing me to receive this Excellence Award. I consider myself isang baliwala, isang babae na masunod lang sa asawa. Subalit, dahil sa mga magulang ko na who love the Lord, who were very good Catholics, they were good Catholics. Napaka-importante pala ng example ng magulang. Dahil lumaki ako ng ganon. The Lord is right. Heaven and earth will pass away, but not a single dot in His word will pass away. The Lord said, I know those who love me. Do you think God loves you? Please raise your hand.
Yes!
Then, the Lord is speaking to each one of us today. Ito po yung napaka-importanting verse na gusto niyang sabihin for such a time as this. Malapit na po talagang end times. May nakatutok na rin siguro nuclear sa bansang Pilipinas. Handa na po pa tayo? Yesterday, I was talking to the architect ng aming tomb. I was happy to design it. I prepared some bronze na angels to surround it and the cross of Jesus Christ. Only because of Jesus that I know, in spite of me, a dust, a sinner, all have sinned and come short of the glory of God. If you will admit that, that's humility. In humility, God said, I will exalt you. Salamat sa pagmamahal, sa grace.